Hello and welcome. In this video, we're gonna see how we can do buy now and pay later in Amazon. Well, you should be aware that Amazon Pay is only available in few places like in India and America. So if you are in place where Amazon Pay Later is available, you can go to Amazon Pay Later registration page, which is this one. I'll also give this link in the description below. And you may be asked to sign into your Amazon account when you enter this link. Once you've done this, you can scan this QR code by using the QR code scanner in your Amazon app in your phone. Once you've done it, you can go to Amazon Pay dashboard in this link. I'll also link this address in the description, and from there you can see the EMI status, equated monthly installment status of yours. But during this process, you may be asked to fill in your PAN details and also complete a eKYC. Alright, now you know how to use buy now and pay later in Amazon. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.